Flodesk Checkout is a simple way to sell digital products or services directly from your emails or website. Here's how to use it. Sign up and log in. First, create a Flodesk account and log into your dashboard. Access Flodesk Checkout. In the left sidebar, click on Checkout to access the checkout page builder. Create a new product. Click Create New Checkout to start setting up your product. Add details like the product name, description, price, and currency. You can set a fixed price or offer an optional payment plan. Customize your checkout page. Flodesk provides easy-to-use templates for your checkout page. Customize the design by adding your branding, including your logo, colors, and fonts to match your style. Set up payment options. Connect your payment gateway to accept payments. This allows you to receive payments securely when someone purchases your product. Integrate with emails or website. Once your checkout page is set up, Flodesk provides a unique URL or embed code. You can add the link to your emails or embed the checkout directly on your website. Track sales and manage orders. Monitor sales through the Flodesk dashboard, which gives you an overview of completed transactions.